This is the rhinovirus, the virus that causes the common cold. Just one microscopic airborne droplet containing rhinovirus can launch an assault on the entire body, resulting in the symptoms we all know and dread. Endless remedies claim to work, but they either contain harmful chemical agents that temporarily suppress the symptoms or are packed with herbal ingredients that sound alluring but hardly do anything. Introducing Biovanta, a revolutionary, patent-pending, clinically proven natural drug product that has been shown in numerous laboratory studies to be more effective on colds, coughs, and sore throats than leading cold products on the market. Biovanta is exceptionally safe because it's made of 100% natural bioactive ingredients found in common foods. Always keep it with you. Use it at the first sign of symptoms. Use it to get well. Biovanta is your best defense against cough, cold, and sore throat, so that you can spend more time being your amazing self. To learn more about Biovanta, please visit our website